Vasco Ispirian from Garnish Music Production School. Today I'm going to give you a quick guide to connect external gear to Ableton. I'm going to use the Roland Bass Machine TB3. First I have to install the drivers, which I have already done, so Ableton can recognize the hardware. Then I'm going to connect the machine from the MIDI out of my interface to the MIDI in of the device with a 5-DIN MIDI cable, or with a USB from hardware to the computer. I'm going to use a USB one. Also, I'm going to connect a 1/4-inch audio cable from the output of my hardware to the input of my interface. I'm going to use input 2, since input 1 is busy with my microphone. Next, configure audio and MIDI preferences. Output hardware track has to be on, and audio 2 has to be active on the audio preferences. Load an external instrument to a MIDI channel. Arm it, configure the MIDI channel both in your hardware and your external instrument so they match. I'm gonna use channel 2. Play with your master keyboard and have fun. If your device has a sequencer, you can launch sequences with your hardware. If we want the hardware to be the master clock, we need to activate sync on the MIDI preferences, and also external sync under the options menu or the external icon. In this way, Ableton is a slave and the master clock is the TB3. Spacebar doesn't work anymore since play and stop is coming from the hardware. Hope it was useful and see you in the next one.